Turkmenistan, the country of the sun, shaded with love. In the very heart of the continent, along the historic Silk Road, where it flows into the golden sands of the Karakum Desert, lie the sunny lands of Turkmenistan. The age-old secrets of the Khoitan Mountains in the east are slowly revealing to the thirst for knowledge, and the winds of the endless northern deserts invite to listen to the whispers of the fascinating history of this blessed land. To feel the antiquity of the walls of the royal fortress of Nusay, the center of the powerful Parthian state that arose in the Kopadag Mountains, and the mausoleums and castles of Merv shining from afar, determined the growth of science and wisdom, gave impetus to the development of the brave Oghuz dynasty. In the north, the palaces and minarets of Kunya Urgenchi go into the Karakum Desert. The artistic world of Turkmenistan is filled with nature, thousands of plants, saxol, mountain juniper, pistachio trees. Included in the multi-volume scientific encyclopedic work, Medicinal Plants of Turkmenistan by the national leader of the Turkmen people Hero Arkadag, confirm that this land is in the true sense of the word promised land. The rarest creatures on earth, leopard, desert cat, quail, mountain goat, gazelle, as well as a wide variety of plants, adorn the rich nature reserves of Turkmenistan. These paradises, refuges for seasonal migratory birds, have become clean and precious lands. The flora and fauna of Turkmenistan are the cradle of life, forged by the trials of nature, creating a variety of beauty. This land is a corner where the East and the West meet, where the wonders of the past are preserved and praised, and where the present confidently looks to the future. Turkmenistan, the country of the sun, shaded with love.